this is Dominika Rides. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm at the airport in Brussels, in Belgium, and I'm waiting for my transfer flight. So I just flew in the morning from Athens to Brussels, and now I'm gonna be flying from Brussels to Edinburgh, Scotland. I'm extremely excited because I always dreamed of riding in Scotland, and thanks to Quadlock, I got the chance and the opportunity to represent Quadlock at this incredible moto tour, which is called the Highland Scramble. It's basically a moto tour with Royal Enfield Himalayan and camping in Scotland. How exciting does that sound? Cheers to that. Good morning everyone from Edinburgh in Scotland. So I had a good night's sleep in the hotel first night. Weather was lovely yesterday and nice and sunny, but at the moment we're having 90% of rain, light rain forecast, drizzle for the next hour. That's not too bad. It says 90%, 80%, 60%, 70%. And for tomorrow, it says 60% of rain, Friday 60% of rain. So I'll be on the road riding today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So let me show you a little bit my preparation. I'm wearing my Northcote adventure gear. This is an essential bag. This is the Overlander from Lone Rider. It's fully waterproof. So I got few pairs of gloves, waterproofs here, heated vest. Then I also have my adventure boots, TCX. They're pretty good and waterproof. My favorite scrambler Ducati. Even though I'll be riding a Royal Enfield, this always comes with me because it's fully waterproof and tested, and I love this backpack. Then I have my Northcote jacket and an adventure helmet with my Cardo Pactok intercom that still have some sand, if you can see here, from my previous adventure riding in Elafonisos in Greece. This is so exciting. So I got myself a little waterproof headlight that turns on like that. And I'm not sure if I told you guys what I'm gonna be riding, but it's gonna be a Royal Enfield Himalayan. I'm ready to go, and I'll see you in the next stop. I'm right outside of the Salt Tire motorcycle, and as you can see, it's raining, not too heavily, but it's raining. So let's go inside and have a look and meet the guys who are in charge of this incredible adventure we're about to do. This is the space and all the motorbikes. It's sponsored by Royal Enfield. And here you can see the events the guys are planning to do. Hello, this is Monroe. Hi, Monroe. Hi. Hi. You're a good dog. You're a good dog. So these three guys are, well, not guys, a lady as well, is here in charge of the Highland Scramble. So it's Tim, Sally and Steve.
So the business Biker B&B has been running for the last 3.5, 4 years. We're the one-stop motorcycle travel platform in Scotland. We run a series of bespoke tours called the Highland Scramble. So this is my sister, Sally. And we met Steve through Instagram.
Instagram, yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Steve visiting his MBA in Edinburgh, the University of Edinburgh, and messaged us as a fellow bike enthusiast and wanted to work with us to help our business, and yeah, the rest is history.
Awesome. That's a small world then. In America, moved to Scotland, and now he's living the dream.
Yeah, exactly. I got the right beard for it.
You
too.
didn't have the beer before? No?
Oh no, I've had the beard before. I've
but
had
now
it
it's
for a
a
while
proper
now.
Scottish beer.
Yeah, exactly. People are usually confused when I open my mouth and they're like, okay, what accent is that? That's not Scottish.
Cool, and you guys organize moto tours?
Yep. We run trips from May to September.
From May to September.
We run a mixed series of different styles of trips, from the Traverse to the Moto Camp to the Ladies Trip. And we also have our first trip in Spain later this year.
Like, what can you tell us about riding in the rain in Scotland? What shall we be careful of?
Just careful of the cambers and careful of they get a lot of waterfalls coming
Oh, really?
into the road, so just be
Okay.
careful of any excess water. Careful of different drivers, riding on maybe the wrong side of the road.
It's like in every country.
Yeah, exactly, and a bit of wildlife as well. Just,
Sheep and Highland cows.
Sheep and Highland cows, yeah.
Highland
Cows.
cow.
The big ginger.
Highland cow. So when you guys book into the Highland Scramble adventure, you get this little goodie bag. That inside you have a really cute water bottle, a nice t-shirt. Oh, nice. Got my Overlander bag here, 2 bags. Insta 360, good to go. Oh, and the main thing is quad lock. So let's do these, I'm so excited. So we arrived, guys, and apparently this area is called Arthur. Even though it's raining and it's very foggy, it's still extremely beautiful and the scenery is just breathtaking. I couldn't stop smiling. So everyone is settling down here. So guys, that looks like this is going to be our house for tonight, and it's very cute. So I bet that's the bathroom over there. And that is the little house. Well, it's not a house, it's glamping. So apparently we're gonna be camping in this glamorous tent. The air is so fresh and riding in Scotland is insane. Look at all these incredible motorcycles, guys. We made it. This is the camping or glamping place. Thank you, Abby.
Our amazing guide today.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for being such a good group.
Can do a boom.
The ground's too high.
Yeah, bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat. I don't say meow.
Yeah.